You've joined me here today. It's absolutely incredible and substantial country home, brick kiln pastures in Ettington. It really is a beautiful spot. We've got in excess of 21 acres. We've got large barns and annexe, and behind is absolutely beautiful home. Let's take a look inside. The gardens and grounds of this amazing home really are very special and unique. We've got views over your own land as far as the eye can see, numerous options, equestrian, agriculture. We've got this large barn which is ideal for horses or a classic car collection. If you'd like more information, please do contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.